Hello, it's Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Martha Stewart's Cakes, provided by the NC Digital Library and available with your library card. In one of Martha's recipes, she calls for roasting strawberries, which is actually more complicated than you would think. Your ingredients are 1.5 pounds of strawberries and 3 tablespoons light corn syrup. To prep the berries, we need to hull them, which means to take out the center. I recommend using a metal straw, but any sturdy straw will do for this technique. Once your berries are hulled, you're going to grab a sheet pan and you're going to lay the berries out evenly on the sheet pan, leaving some space in between. Next, we're going to drizzle the berries with corn syrup and toss gently to coat, using a spatula as necessary. We're going to bake them until the syrup thickens and the strawberries turn deep red for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Our berries should have shrunken during the process and already created a syrup. We're going to transfer the berries to a bowl and get a potato masher and just mash them up. The roasting technique allows the berries' natural juices to come out and mix with the syrup, creating a more flavorful additive to any of your baked goods. Once you're finished mashing, let it cool completely at room temperature before storing. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time with Cooking with the NC Digital Library. Have a great day!